At least for them, they are not like some of our corporators who simply...
We are open and we want to grow. So all this is upon us. How do we grow? How do we grow and continue to grow? It is upon us. As delegates, wish you very well. Go back and let your members at the different units understand what took place. Thank you very much for this.
Eno ye Magala TV, okumanya we kutandikira.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to present to you the Treasurer's report for the year 2024 as we gather here today for the 17th annual general meeting. Allow me to start with the financial performance. During the year 2024, our circle experienced significant growth and progress, irrespective of the challenges. Our total assets grew by 10% from Uganda shillings 10.41 billion to Uganda shillings 11.45 billion, driven primarily by increased loan disbursements during the year, significant cash and bank balances at the end of the year. Our gross income for the year, as mentioned by manager, was Uganda shillings 1.35 billion, increasing from 1.125 billion of the previous year, representing a growth of 20%. This growth was largely driven by interest income from the loan portfolio. Expenses. Our total expenses for the year were Uganda shillings 302 million, rising from the previous year, which was 251.3 million of the previous year, representing a 20% increase. Chief guests and delegates, we note that this increase was mainly due to a rise in loan defaults and investment in new technologies. But mainly, our major undoing is the loan defaults, which managers presented that proposal. We wish to follow them so that we don't continue suffering the loss.
To read to you, but I want to make some few remarks which are general. For the benefit especially of the young people who are here. Do we have officers in charge in this place? Yeah. That's what it is meant to be. An officer in charge should mentor his deputies, so that even when he is not there, the station runs. And the deputies must learn from their OC. You cannot advance their deputies who waste a lot of time trying to undermine their OCs, because they know me, they know Akena, they know Munanura, they know the Assistant Commissioner General. It does not help. That is wastage of time. It's your supervisor who will recommend for your advancement. Is that clear? And I think we are soon producing an administrative instruction on transfer of staff. I hope you are. Because I still get messages in my inbox, staff requesting for transfer. Jesus Christ. Commissioner General of Prisons transferring junior officers? I don't know. You know the transfer policy. Not so? You must have done 3 years in a station, and with good reasons, you can request and be transferred. All of us know this. If you have spent 5 years in a station, even if you don't request, you will be transferred. If you have spent 7 years in a station, just pack your bags and wait. Yes, you know. You know this? And the officer in charge must attend to transfer requests. Either object. Attending to the request does not mean that you are going to agree with the request. You must attend and give reasons. I think that's why these junior officers are running to my inbox. They are not being attended to. Then what are you doing in the station? The station Okora Muki as OC, what are you doing? Only discharging Ishbarua and you see, they are communicating. So please, officers in charge, deputy officers in charge, orderly sergeants, I always get briefs from the sub-manager. I think that there is no money which is there in the circle, which is standing. I'm sure it is not there. If I ask you how much cash you have, I don't think you can even produce 2 million shillings. Why? Because the money has been borrowed. Yes, that's the purpose of the circle. But the money is being borrowed for what? One, to buy a flat TV. What do you want with the flat TV? Eh? No. That is luxury. That's, well, I don't know, probably I'm old-fashioned. I first saw TV, not even in secondary school. We didn't have TV. I first saw TV, not even in HS. You know, that's not a priority. Even some models have 2 wives. You get your own, you get another wife. I can see this daughter of mine from Nakasongola. I see Nakasongola. To make sure you are borrowing it to create what? Create more wealth. And you are not creating wealth by building a house to live in. No. A house to live in is just storing capital. There are some people who buy plots, very wise. He buys a plot in an urban area. You know, land will always appreciate. That's wise. But building a house at home from a circle on, you are in real trouble. Real trouble. I don't know whether you teach these cooperators on what not to do. A house at home, you need it when you are not very old. Yes.